hell was that?
All I did was turn on the water.
That's all? That doesn't sound good.
No. You should see I guess it's the water. I don't know, it's revolting.
Okay. So the plumbing's not perfect. We'll get it fixed. It's not the end of the world.
You didn't see that water.
Look, this is an old house. It's gonna need some work. You've got to expect that.
I didn't expect that water. It had legs.
A little work, a little care, a little imagination, and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be fun fixing it up. You'll see.
I don't know, Walter. I've never been any good at that kind of thing.
What kind of thing?
Work.
Well, you can't go into it with that kind of an attitude. You got to be more positive.
I'll try.
Oh.
A little care, a little imagination, and a positive attitude.
What was that?
Nothing, dear.